Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we're going to be implementing drivers into our boot image. Now there are 100 different ways to implement drivers. I'm going to show you how I do it. Also, we're going to be creating two packages with the drivers that we downloaded for the HP models in our prerequisites. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on and right-click driver packages. Create driver package. We're going to call this WinPE. Driver manufacturer is HP. The newest one, 2.72 that we downloaded. And of course, we put that in to our path under our iDrive. Click OK. And there we go. Now we're going to click, then right-click drivers, import driver. Our source folder is where we downloaded our WinPE. So we can paste that here. Click next. Give that a few moments, and I'll be right back. Okay, and our drivers have been validated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click Hide Drivers that are not in a storage or network class for boot images. Click Next. Select WinPE. Next. Select our boot image x64. Next. It's going to say, before computers can use the drivers you have added to or removed from the selected boot image, you must process the boot image to recreate it with your expected list of drivers and update the content on distribution points. Do you want Configuration Manager to start this process? We're going to say no for right now because we'll update that manually in a few moments. Next, and let that import the drivers. I'll be back when that's ready. Okay, and now we can click Close, wait for the drivers to populate. There they are. And we're right here. So we're going to go to Driver Packages, right-click on WinPE, click Distribute Content, Next, add our distribution point. There we go. Click OK, Next, Next, and Close. I'm going to wait about 2 minutes. So T timeout 120, and I'll be back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're going to click on drivers and then click on driver packages one more time and verify our success. Everything's green there. Now we're going to go to boot images. We're going to click, then right click our boot image x64. Click on properties. Go to the drivers tab and you can verify that all of our drivers have populated there. We're good. Let's go to the customization tab. And what we're going to do is Windows PE background image. Click there. And the custom background that I gave you guys for WinPE. Okay, there we go. On our Windows PE scratch space, we're going to go on the drop down, put 512 megabytes. We're going to go to the data source tab, enable binary differential replication. Okay. Then down here on the language drop down, choose your language. Add x64. Let's go to the optional components tab. Click on add, and we're going to click Windows PowerShell WinPE, DISM commandlets, and Windows PowerShell WinPE storage WMI. Okay, click OK, OK, and yes. Reload this image with the current Windows PE version. Okay, click Next, Next, and we'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and that's done. We can click Close. Now what we'll do is we're going to right-click our boot image, click Distribute Content, Next, Add Distribution Point, choose CM Lab, Next, OK, and Close. Now we'll give it about 60 seconds, and we'll come back and check on it. Okay, and we're back. So what we'll do is we'll click Refresh here, verify our success. Everything is green. That's good. So now what we'll do is we'll expand Application Management. We're going to click, then right-click on Packages, Create Package. Now we're going to create our Windows 10 package for that laptop in our prerequisites. Okay, so manufacturer is HP. en-us for language. Click on this package contains source files. We'll click on browse, paste that there. Okay. Next, we're going to say do not create a program. Next, next, and close. Now we'll right click on that Windows 10 SP152748, distribute content. Next, on the drop down, add our distribution point. Okay. Next, next, and close. Now we're going to create our Windows 11 package. So right click, create package, copy here. Manufacturer is HP, language en-us. This package contains source files. Click browse, grab our path here, click OK. Next, do not create a program. Next, next, and close. Then we'll right click on that Windows 11 one, click distribute content. Next, on the add drop down, choose our distribution point. Next, next, and close. And now we're going to wait because those contain a lot of drivers. Okay. So we're going to wait about 360 seconds. All right. And I'll be back when that's done. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Now what we'll do is we'll click on the Windows 10 one. We'll see we have success. Everything is green, and the Windows 11 one, everything is green. So that's it for our drivers and boot images. I'll see you in the next video.